Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron cryptocurrency between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, it could be for trading opportunities, diversifying your portfolio, or just managing your assets better. Whatever your reason, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need verified accounts on both Crypto.com and Bitrue, some TRX in your Crypto.com wallet, and the exact wallet address from Bitrue. Always double-check addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Head over to your wallet section and find your TRX balance. Step 2. Select TRX from your assets. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there. This will prompt you to enter the destination details. Step 3. Enter the Bitrue wallet address. You can find this by logging into your Bitrue account, going to your wallet, and copying the TRX deposit address. Paste it carefully, and don't forget to add any required network details, like Tron, TRX, to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Specify the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees. Check the estimated fee before confirming to avoid surprises. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, address, and fees. Once you're sure, hit confirm, and the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Step 6. Head over to Bitrue and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the TRX to appear, depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details and use secure connections. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send TRX from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.